With inflation continuing to rise, you might be feeling the pressure to protect your retirement savings. Balancing your investment portfolio against inflation isn't just an option. It's crucial for maintaining the value of your wealth, especially as a retiree. In this video, we'll discuss practical strategies to safeguard your assets, and if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure you click the first link in the description to get the free Gold IRA guide that thousands of Americans are using to protect their savings. More on that later. To start, the biggest concern right now is how inflation erodes the purchasing power of your savings. Even if your portfolio is growing, inflation can still mean you're losing value in real terms. Traditional investments like stocks and bonds are impacted, but there are ways to safeguard your retirement savings. One of the best methods is by diversifying your portfolio. Diversification is about spreading your investments across different asset classes: stocks, bonds, real estate, and even commodities. However, when inflation is high, some assets like bonds can lose value because of rising interest rates, and the stock market can be volatile. That's where precious metals, like gold, come into play. Gold has historically been a hedge against inflation, meaning it tends to hold its value when inflation rises. In fact, if you look at the data, during times of high inflation, the value of gold has increased while stocks and bonds struggled. This is why so many retirees are turning to gold IRAs. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, click the first link in the description to access the free Gold IRA guide that thousands of Americans are using to protect their savings. Another important element is rebalancing your portfolio. Over time, your investments can shift, and you may end up with too much exposure to one asset class. Rebalancing helps you maintain the right mix to protect against inflation while taking advantage of growth opportunities. If you haven't reviewed your portfolio in a while, now's the time to do so. In addition to diversification and rebalancing, consider the importance of inflation-protected securities. Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, are government bonds specifically designed to protect against inflation. While they're a good option, the returns may still not keep up with gold, which is why many retirees opt for gold IRAs as a more reliable solution. Now, it's not just about choosing the right assets, it's also about how you manage your withdrawals in retirement. The key is having a strategy that allows your investments to grow while providing you with a steady income stream. However, withdrawing too early or from the wrong assets can deplete your savings faster than you realize, especially when inflation is at play. A gold IRA gives you an excellent option for long-term growth and protection from inflation, ensuring that your wealth continues to grow even in retirement. You might be asking yourself, why a gold IRA? Well, gold IRAs are specifically designed to help retirees like you protect their wealth from inflation, market downturns, and currency devaluation. By transferring part of your retirement savings into a gold IRA, you're diversifying into an asset that has stood the test of time. To put it simply, if you have at least 100Ks in your IRA, or 401k, or $5 in savings, a gold IRA could be the perfect addition to your retirement strategy. It offers a level of protection that traditional investment vehicles simply can't match right now. Before we wrap up, if you're a retiree looking for a way to ensure your savings are safe and growing despite inflation, I encourage you to click the link in the description below to get your free Gold IRA guide. Thousands of American retirees are already using this strategy to protect their wealth. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, this could be your best move. Remember, balancing your investment portfolio against inflation is about more than just picking the right assets. It's about having a strategy that works for you. By including gold in your portfolio, rebalancing regularly, and considering other inflation-protected options, you can ensure that your wealth stays intact even in uncertain times. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that free guide if you're ready to secure your retirement with a gold IRA today.